Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to sell your stocks on Cash App. So first of all, you need to open up Cash App on your mobile device. And then from the home screen, tap on the Stocks tab right over here. Once you're on this screen, you need to scroll down to My Investments tab. And then over here, under Stocks Owned, tap on the stock you want to sell. For this instance, I'll go with this one. Now to sell this stock, you simply need to tap on this Sell button right over here. If you have a big chunk of shares, then it'll ask you to enter the amount of the stock you wish to sell. After that, simply confirm the transaction by tapping on this Confirm button at the bottom. It'll then take some time to process the order, and you're done. Well, that's how you sell your stocks on Cash App. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.